What's going on? Welcome back to, this is my first tutorial video. So today, a request from someone on Instagram who wanted to learn how to do teal and orange photography, which is what I've been doing on my Instagram for a couple of months now. And basically we're going to quickly go out, take a couple of photos, and I'll show you how to do the whole teal and orange thing, which I've been doing on Instagram. I'll put in a couple of photos here-ish. And just you can see the kind of effect that I'm going to try and show you how to do. And all you need really is a camera that can shoot raw photos, and I use Adobe Lightroom, so that would be beneficial for this tutorial. Other than that, let's get started. Okay, so we are on location.
Yep.
There's a helicopter over there.
Yeah.
I don't know how loud that's going to be on the video.
I don't know. It should be okay.
That should be fine. So we're at Grinsill, Corbett Wood. This is where we're going to try and show you the best we can how to do teal and orange. I picked this place because you can't really see, you can only see behind us, but over there's beautiful. I'll show you in a minute.
Amazing views.
It's just going to be a nice location for this shoot, and
it's very green, like we were saying before. Like it's very green around where we live, and you want to try and avoid green for like teal and orange. And obviously, it's not a shot. So we've tried to search for more kind of neutral areas.
This would be better for urban photography. Unfortunately, not a whole lot of that in Shropshire, like I was saying. So this is the best we've got.
Let's see what you can do.
This is it. I might update this tutorial in the future, but if needed. But the process will be the same for any kind of photos you want to take. And yeah, really, the first step is get a friend to come in and give you a hand. The reason for that is it's nice to have a subject in the photo. It could be nature, it could be a friend, it could be anything, but I've decided to go for Lucas here.
Hello there.
He's going to give me a hand. Step 2 is I've got my tripod and my camera set up, and I'll take some photos that way. You want to leave if you can, set the camera to raw, so you can get all the data for the photos. You want to be able to alter it in post. So you want to get as much data as you can, so obviously shoot in raw if possible. And then the other thing you'll need, like I said earlier, is Adobe Lightroom. Other than that, it's a case of
finding a nice location, I guess.
Yeah, find somewhere and go take some photos. Yeah. That's what we're going to go do now. Let's do this. Let's go. Okay then, so for this part of the tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change all of the presets that are in Lightroom. So what you want to do first is import your photo, as I've done. This is the photo I took of Lucas. Then you want to go over to the highlights, and I dropped mine to 55. Move on to the whites, I pumped that up to 10. I then change the blacks, and do that about -10. Clarity I pump up at 10. I just keep doing that, keep going down the settings. I do these just because I know these are this is what you need for teal and orange to work nice. You want to drop the highlights so you can bring out the clouds again, and then all of the other ones just kind of are a good thing to do, just to balance the photo out a bit more. Okay, and then next you want to go down to where it says calibration, and as I've done, you want to slide the hue for red to 100, saturation -55, hue for green to 100, and hue for blue to -100. What this will do is it will give you the teal and orange effect, and you can just change the saturation level. So yeah, if you just play around with those settings down here, you can get the look you're trying to go for, and it's just as easy as that. Now, what I have done for you is I've made some preset packs that you can download and use to make this a bit quicker. So all you have to do for that is import it into Lightroom, and then click over where it says teal and orange, and it will apply that to your photo.